Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineers. Today we're gonna make some transactions on the Stylus Testnet to make money from the possible Stylus airdrop. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So first of all, let's start by adding the Stylus Testnet to our Metamask wallet. To do that, just open your Metamask extension and then click on Networks. Then scroll down and click on Add Network. And then choose Add a Network manually. Now, as you can see, it asks you to fill in these blanks with the necessary information. Now, you can find all of these information from this website. As always, you'll find all the links in the description box below of this video. All you need to do is to copy all of these information, the name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the block explorer, and paste it here. Let me just complete this step and we will move on. Because of the fact that I already added the Stylus Testnet to my Metamask, it gives me this error, but it's not going to give you the same error. Just copy all of the information from the Arbitrum webpage and then paste it on the blanks. Now, as you can see, we added the Stylus Testnet to our Metamask wallet. After adding the Stylus Testnet, you need some Faucet tokens to pay for the transaction fees. So for this, open this website and click on Connect Wallet. Choose Metamask, choose Arbitrum from this section and Sepolia from this section. After choosing Arbitrum and Sepolia, click on Continue. And after clicking on Continue, just click on Claim Your Faucet Tokens. Because of the fact that I just claimed my token, it says please come back in 12 hours. But all you need to do is to click on Continue and then approve the transaction. After a couple of minutes, you'll be able to see your Faucet tokens on Arbitrum Sepolia network. Now, after getting your Faucet tokens, head over to Arbitrum Bridge. So we're gonna be sending the Faucet tokens that we just got from the Arbitrum Sepolia to the Stylus Testnet. So choose Arbitrum Sepolia for this section and Stylus Testnet for this section. Now, I will just send all of the tokens, so I will click on Max and then click on Move Funds to Stylus Testnet. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's gonna take a couple of minutes for the transaction to be completed and then we will continue. Okay guys, so I just sent all the Faucet tokens to the Stylus Testnet. Now the last step is to mint this NFT. So just open this website. As I said, you'll find the links in the description box below this video. Click on Connect and connect your Metamask wallet. Make sure you are on Stylus Testnet to be able to mint this NFT. And then click on Mint. As you can see, it's a free mint NFT. And on top of that, you will need to pay the transaction fees. And you'll be able to pay the transaction fees with the Faucet Ethereum tokens we just got. So click on Confirm, and as you can see, we minted our NFT. It says one NFT is minted by you. That's all you need to do on the Stylus Testnet for now. If they upgrade it and add more features to the Stylus Testnet in the future, we will definitely make sure to make a video about it and maximize our rewards from the possible Stylus airdrop. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities, important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.